Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk about the sandbox, sand, and give you all the support resistance levels, patterns, and all the technical things that you have been looking for. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And put your favorite coin in the comment box and I'll try to analyze that for you. Or if you have any question, let me know in the comment box and I'll respond it right away. Alright, let's start this by looking at the 4-hour chart, because we were watching this pattern on the 4-hour chart in the last video. As you guys remember, we were trading in this falling channel, and this falling channel was broken out here, and after the breakout the price action was not convincing and price was moving in a basically sideways pattern. And within this sideways pattern we spotted this triangle pattern, and I told you that sooner or later price will break either to the upside or to the downside, alright, within this triangle pattern. And right now the price is breaking out with significantly large volume right now on the 4-hour chart. So this is a good sign in the sandbox right now. Based on the price prediction target level of this triangle, we can anticipate a price to go towards the $6.2 range, $6 range here at this box, which was a nice support resistance area. So that's the first target we can target. And if you guys want to target the conservative one, then this is the nice area, which is around $5.7 range here. As you can see, this was also a nice support resistance area all the way. So if you guys took a long entry at this breakout, based on the videos that I made, you can take the first target here, the second target here at around 6.2, and the third target I'm going to give you like this. If we do it like this for this falling channel and extend it, the third target would be at around $7, which is also the box high of this box, which is also a very nice support resistance area as well. So 3 targets in your mind right now. Price action on the sandbox is looking very bullish right now, because it has formed a rounding bottom pattern here with breaking out with nice volume. So good signs, and we have 3 targets up here. And if we measure to the last target, then we can anticipate a gain of around 35%. And if you do a 2x leverage, that would give you 70% gains. If you want to trade on the leverage, you can use my BYBIT affiliate link. You can find the link in the description and in the comment box. So make sure to sign up through my link, deposit money there, start to trade, and claim $4.5 thousand bonuses there. Alright, I hope you guys like this quick video analysis of sandbox. If you liked it, please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.